What's up, guys? I've been wanting to post for a while now, so haven't got any videos ready, so I thought I would film a quick little video showing my Rubik's Cube skills. Yeah, here's the scrambled cube. I'm pretty good at solving it pretty quickly. Not as good as other people that I've seen. Like, some people can solve it in like 5 seconds. So I'm not at that level. I can solve it in like 30 or 40 seconds at best, but hopefully I can get a good time, but we will see. So here's the scramble cube. Here's the timer. So my stopwatch. So I'm going to look at this for a second, then. Alright. So I'm going to start the timer in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Alright, trying to show like what I'm doing. Alright. As I'm solving it. It's kind of difficult, but whatever. I've been trying to do this for a while now. I keep like filming takes, but either I'm like not showing like the actual cube, or like I'm not getting any good times. So hopefully I can get a good time and actually show what I'm doing. Ooh, this is good. Okay. Won't be my best time, but whatever. Hopefully I can get under 50 seconds. Alright. Okay. Stop the timer. 1 minute and 5 seconds? Are you kidding? Well, that's a disappointing end to this disappointing video with your host, Brigantics. Goodbye.